When he do the one thing, he let you know, he tell you. So you
start grabbing it.
Samples. And go and get one and bring it.
Yeah, my little girls do that. My little girls do that. Yeah, for real.
Go and get a pack and bring it for you. And then do your stuff. Let me know what's okay.
She's good. She don't do that, but she's good for the pampas.
They got the illest laugh.
Laughing, right?
Yeah.
Walk out in the video.
That's right. I want to line skate up, but still we got to make that turn. To come out and it's like from here, like
ain't no truck coming up. No fault out of it. No plow got a pass here.
Oh, he said make way for the plow.
Remo.
Yo, we in the building. Reno.
Hey, Steve.
That's a thief.
Ain't no truck coming out of there to the plow pass. The nigga actually put this shit back.
Well, you really don't know the people, do you? I find he do a lot. You know what I'm saying? I find he really do a lot.
We almost together.
Wait till Ronnie over there. If Ronnie wasn't there, maybe we might have get away with it.
Ain't we playing it for?
YouTube content. YouTube.
I ain't doing squat.
Wait. Again.
I'm gonna lean up. One more split.
I need to
Go get some breakfast, man. What?
Man, my ass up. Come over here just now.
Yeah. Look for him to come over here just now.
Oh, we're gonna be coming over here just now.
Joseph gonna come.
Oh, you gonna take
Yeah, one or two of them. Yeah, one or two of them.
What them guys do?
I got an idea, sir.
Well, yep, that's a good idea. Yeah, that's a fucking great idea. That's a great idea, son. That the old truck. The old truck.
With the grill.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because it's chop off on the grill. Okay.
Alright.
I did my share. Fuck that. I'm done.